All good?
OS 1058. I have my own mic.
What do you want? Yeah.
Well, I have the same thing, but you know, some people kind of.
We're driving back to Fort Worth from Midland, Texas. We had our fundraiser gig last night, and now it's on to our next gig tonight. I'm on day 11 of Hand, Foot, and Mouth. Feeling better, but I'm tired.
There we go.
Hey, Justin.
Good.
Windy today.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Shorter on time than I plan on having today and doing some of my stuff, but
Yeah. Just busy?
some of them are still made of fabric and stuff is already here. It just gets
All right. I guess. I guess on the outsides of these would be centered, I suppose. I always forget where I put this. Yeah. Yep. Gonna be way brighter. Back to the normal setup. All right. Wow, that is really bad. It's completely out. Gator case, what are you doing? Get 2 5-foots. Do I not have 5 foot? Sure, of course I do. Let's go get those speakers out. Now, these are all in live poll mode, not monitor mode. Yeah. 2. This is 1. Arf. Let's just plug it in like this and change it. What? Hey, Denise.
Rhyder, what's the code to the alarm? Thank you. Thanks.
Hi. They've turned it off. It was them. Yeah.
Hello?
Sorry.
Did you get it? I'm gonna make one of my own of these. This is annoying. All right. Doing it like that.
Pretty good, blah, 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 blah. So he played for all this down right blah, blah, blah. Like, Mom, you do realize, like,
We're not gonna use the twin cable. No, I don't. They'll hate those. We're gonna do a center fill again because people are real close. We're gonna. Least favorite thing. And we're gonna plug this in. All right. All right.
I was just watching you doing the tie, and you were like, and I could feel myself doing my hair.
I'm so curious. This isn't the best, but whatever. I have to change the scene from last night. No, that's something I want to do.
I was like, wait, what about the paddle? And then I was like, oh yeah, those are real nice.
We're not doing damn.
Out of my brain.
We're pretty tired. Get it away from.
The lights?
Yeah.
Do you have like a scene saved for here?
Yeah, I have like a general Skinny Armadillo one, and then I just make one for each performer. I did them before we left, but let's test out the sound bullet. We're just sending pink noise through our system, making sure all the outputs work. How you doing? I'm
Good,
Connor.
how are you? I'm Brandon.
I'm not gonna shake your hand. My
right.
son gave me hand, foot, and mouth a week ago.
Hey, man,
Sanitize everything before you get up here, but
All right.
I don't want to give you.
Thank you for that.
What I
Take the
have.
microphone off, whatever y'all want to do.
Yeah.
But I'd prefer to have both the wedges kind of facing at me.
Yeah, just like, yeah. Sure.
Like this.
You can do that. It's easy to move.
Yeah.
So you want to do something like that, or do you want to? Yeah. Okay.
the first people we ever had.
How many guitars you got tonight?
Well, I'm just going to use one.
Just the one?
But
I've been building chairs and lasering cups, so
I think we're both just moving around.
I think it's getting warmer as the sun starts going down. Like last night, warm driving up there, but man, once the sun went down, it was outside.
it's kind of how it was coming to the end of it.
This will be the other guys.
Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey. Hey, check, 1, 2, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Check, 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 hey. Check, 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 hey. Hey, 1, 2.
Sweet. Yeah, we're ready for him whenever he's ready. So you're AG1. Yeah. Those were backwards. You primarily finger picking guy, or
No,
just either or?
I'll use my pick a
Yeah,
lot, but
okay.
then
Intimate. Yeah.
just a different.
Check 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, hey, yeah, oh. I've been out here wondering if I ever get.
Yeah.
Was that me?
That was you. I'll grab you a 1/4 inch. I got a DI out here for you, unless you have your own. So you're gonna be sitting?
Yeah, I might.
You're all good? You wanna try a finger?
Monitors sound great.
Hey man, I'm glad you like them.
You know, when I play shows up there, you know, you just never know who you're gonna get running sound. And
Yeah, it's always different.
a lot of times there'll be a guy just smoking so much dope, he looks at you like, oh man. He didn't have to check for monsters, but he knew I was scared. Or put me on his shoulders when it was too hot at the fair. He didn't have to work that night shift to be at all my games. Take me and Mom to church, he could barely stay away. It seems like everything he did wasn't by coincidence, giving up his life for mine. Always there to save the day. When times were tough, he didn't walk away. I could count on him to be there every time. I never heard him say the words I love you, but he didn't have to. Thank you all so much. Appreciate you guys listening.
Pull this sucker up.
Ooh, that breeze coming through the door feels so good.
Always. Bitch, I saw you.
Satisfying it is to watch you, like.
And this is an angle too.
Like buy the t-shirts.
Getting the stands, the plates. That's what that means. Saving up to buy a road case for this bullshit. It's been a long 48 hours.
I didn't know if you wanted my response. I felt like that was a little open-ended, like more might be coming.
No, that's it.